Are we impressed?
Yes, very.
Yeah, so that's why, but you can't do that anymore because now it's cameras only. No radar, no ultrasonics on these cars. And yes, I work very hard when I'm driving in Seattle, as you can tell. I know, I bought it on my first Tesla for $6,000, and then they did a deal when I bought this that if you went and bought a new Tesla, they would let you transfer the license over. And so now I have it. As long as I keep this car, I'll have it. So as long as nothing happens to the car, knock on wood. Oh, we're going to Mopop. Okay. You know, I've never been in there. I've lived here for 35 years.
Well, if you don't go there, then where do you normally go if you're here?
In Seattle? I never go anywhere in Seattle. I take everybody all the cool places and I live vicariously through them. Like when I moved to Seattle, there used to be a double-decker freeway above us. And so this was all kind of trashy and whatnot through here. And I guess it was falling down, so they tore it down and we built a tunnel underneath the ground. See, it's making a mistake. It needs to get in that. There we go. I was going to say it was in the wrong lane. Nope, I got you. There we go. So there's part of my 8% right there. This is why I still have a job.
And probably a car.
And the car. That used to be a lane over there. And I don't even know when this became a bike lane, so this is within the past 2 months that this is a bike lane. So I know why it's confused, because that used to be the turn lane right there. Now it's a bike lane. We have new bus lanes, and sometimes it'll want to get in the bus lane because they're new, because it used to be a lane. And so I got to keep us out of that. And now it doesn't do it. Now it's got it all figured out, so it doesn't do that anymore.
Like all the patterns.
And that's the car stopping for them. Saw them before we could. I could just barely see her.
See them on the screen, right?
Yeah.
Didn't you do a good job driving us? You did a good job. You pushed the buttons. And by the way, that's a full legal stop. You see how it actually went to 0? Let's see if the car backs up. Yep, it's going to back up. Let's get the bus for him. Are we impressed?
Yes, very. And now I'm just wondering, like, what happens if there was someone behind you? Like,
It wouldn't have backed up.
wow, that is insane. This is awesome.
And the other thing is it's never in a hurry, right? It doesn't get angry. It doesn't drive drunk. You can go, buddy. You can go ahead and run it. It's fine. I was going to push the pedal, but he did it. His name's Kit, of course. And I figure, well, you guys probably know about the Waymos or whatever. And I figure I'm out of a job in 3 years. I think this car will have my job within the next 3 years. In Seattle, I think even less than a year. It'd be interesting to me if they actually... they had a car. Tesla had one of their robo-taxi cars driving around Seattle the other day. So.
Oh my gosh.
This one, like the cameras all around.
No, that's Waymo. Tesla uses cameras only, and they had the. Have you seen the gold robo-taxi car that Tesla has? Search Google for Tesla's robo-taxi car images. car.
Oh, wow.
So it's a 2-seater, and they had that right now they have, well, they're not using those in Texas yet, but they have 70 of this car roaming around Texas doing autonomous drives. Tesla does. And then Waymo has 3,000 cars across the United States, and they're beta testing Seattle right now. Waymo is. I don't know why it's changing lanes right now. Didn't want to be in that lane. It'll get back over there. What? Over here maybe? As long as this street's been like this, because this street area right here is 2 years old. They redid all of this, but it's 2 years old now.
It's very complicated driving up here.
I don't do it. I'll tell you, when I used to work in downtown Seattle in the late 90s, and the first time I was Ubering somebody up to Seattle, I was like, I know my way around. I know everything about Seattle. I got my first view of Seattle, and I probably hadn't been up here in 15 odd years, and I went, oh no, that's a lot larger than I remember. And there was just so many people on the sidewalks and the street and everything, and my brain just started fritzing out, and I dropped them off, and I logged off at Uber, and I drove 30 minutes south. I'm like, I am not ready for Seattle today. I'm not ready for this. We need to ease ourselves into this. You didn't know you were paying for a ride today, did you? And I don't know if you've noticed, but when you call a driver in Seattle, 30 seconds is a long pickup. They are Johnny on the spot because we are a freaking army in this town. Here, I'll show you how many drivers are around us right now just to give you... Oh, that's right, I have to be online now. They changed that. Let's go online real quick. Those are all drivers.
Jesus.
That's in this area. That's just this area. We got a few drivers around. A few too many is how many we have. Now it's going to be interesting to see how it handles this. Oh, it did it smoothly, so that's good. You guys gonna go take this? The monorail? It goes nowhere. It's literally a mile. It's a mile long.
Oh gosh.
And it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh gosh. Really? Wow.
We built it when we built the Space Needle, I think, and it doesn't go anywhere. Just a mile long and just goes from there to a mile down the road, and that's it.
Wow. Well, that kitty's definitely go.
Hey, Grok, how long is the monorail in Space Needle? Or this Seattle?
The Seattle Monorail, which runs right to the Seattle Center near the Space Needle, is about 9/10 of a mile long.
Oh, wow.
The ride takes around 2 minutes end to end.
Oh my gosh, 2 minutes.
Told you, it doesn't go anywhere.
That is crazy. Wow.
Park, let's curbside. Let's see where it curbsides. That'll be interesting to see. See. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take over. We'll see. We'll see. We're going to curb yet? No? Okay, I'll curb us. All right. All right, there's another eight part of my 8%.
Right.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your stay in town, huh?
Thank you so
Thank you,
much. Appreciate it.
You betcha.
Thank you.
Bet.